Once you have enabled your FarmShots integration, simply from the Land.db homepage, choose Create an Account. This will then take your farm field tree from Land.db with the farms, fields, and boundaries and send them to your FarmShots account. Next, we will see a list of all the available farms that pulled over from your Land.db database. Also, we can maximize each farm to see what fields are pulling over and make any deselections if necessary. Once ready, choose Done at the very bottom of the screen. Next, sign into your account or sign up for a FarmShots account below. Once logged into your account, you will then be prompted if you'd like to merge all your farms to a single view. This will allow you to compare fields more easily and look at satellite imagery against one another. However, if your farms and fields are spread apart, you do not want to merge your farms into a single view. Here, we're going to go ahead and choose No. Once you make a selection, your farms and fields will be imported into FarmShots, and then they'll be available within the Farms dashboard.